The first thing that you have to do in order to find the hidden pictures in your Samsung phone is to go to the gallery, tap on these three dotted icons here, select hide albums. Now if you have hidden albums, you have to disable it, and once you disable this, go back, select view all, and you should find all the hidden pictures in the gallery now. The next thing is, when you are in this gallery, go to menu, select trash. Now if you have accidentally deleted any photo or video, then it will be available in this trash for 30 days. The next thing is, you have to check the picture in secure folder also. So you have to open secure folder, open it, enter the pin code that you have used to lock the secure folder, open gallery, and the photos that you have moved in this secure folder, those photos won't be available in the gallery of your Samsung phone. The fourth thing that you have to check is, you have to check locked folder in Google Photos also. So open Google Photos application, select collection, scroll down, and there is an option here, locked. Open it. You have to use your pin code or your fingerprint, and if you see the photos in this locked folder, then those photos won't be available in the gallery or in the Google Photos. The other thing that you have to check is, some of the applications such as WhatsApp or Messenger, you have photos in those applications, then those photos might only be available in the application if you have not allowed those applications to save photos in the gallery. So open WhatsApp or Messenger, then inside you have to check if there is any photo, and check if these photos are showing in the gallery or not. The last thing that you can do is, if you have manually hidden any folder, then you have to check those folders also. So for that one, I will go to files that is present inside the Samsung folder, select these three dotted icons, select settings, and if you see there is an option here, show hidden system files, you have to enable it, so that if there are any folders or files hidden, that will be shown. Go back, open internal storage. Now if you scroll here, you can see there are some folders where the icon is very faint, it's not clear. That means these folders are hidden. So open those folders and you might find these pictures hiding inside those hidden folder. So do all of these things and hopefully you should be able to find the photos that are hidden in your phone.